Wealth is not just about making money, it's about managing it wisely. In this video, we'll uncover 7 proven strategies that the wealthy use to create, grow, and preserve their riches. Master these, and you'll not just earn money, you'll keep it multiplying for years to come. Number 1. Build multiple income streams. Never depend on a single income. Make investment to create a second source. Warren Buffett. This means relying on just one source of income is risky. If that stream fails, your entire financial foundation collapses. Wealth creation thrives on diversity, ensuring that when one channel slows down, others keep your finances growing. Building multiple income streams means creating several reliable sources of money flow, like a strong river fed by different tributaries. Instead of depending solely on your job or one business, you develop additional avenues like investments, side businesses, real estate, or royalties. This strategy not only increases your wealth potential but also provides security during uncertain times. Practical applications on building multiple income streams. 1. Identify potential streams. How to do it. List skills, assets, or opportunities you already have that can generate extra income. Example, if you're good at graphic design, you could start selling designs on Fiverr or Etsy. 2. Start with one side hustle. How to do it. Begin with a manageable venture, like freelancing, consulting, or online selling, and grow from there. Example, if you bake cakes on weekends, start selling them to friends and neighbors before expanding online. 3. Invest wisely. How to do it. Put money in stocks, mutual funds, real estate, or other assets that create passive income over time. Example, buying a rental property that pays monthly rent while increasing in value. 4. Automate earnings. How to do it. Use tools, platforms, or systems that keep generating income with minimal ongoing effort. Example, create an ebook or online course once, then sell it repeatedly through Amazon or Udemy. 5. Diversify risk. How to do it. Avoid relying too heavily on one source. Spread your investments and ventures to balance potential losses. Example, instead of putting all savings into one business, split funds between real estate, digital products, and stocks. Number 2. Invest in appreciating assets. The rich invest in time, the poor invest in money. Warren Buffett. This means true wealth comes from putting your money into assets that grow in value over time, not just spending it on things that lose value. Appreciating assets are investments that increase in value the longer you hold them. Examples include real estate, stocks, mutual funds, and valuable collectibles. Unlike spending on luxury items that depreciate quickly, these assets make your money work for you, helping you build wealth steadily. Practical applications on investing in appreciating assets. 1. Identify appreciating assets. How to do it. Learn which investments typically grow in value. Example, buying shares in a reputable company that increases in price over several years. 2. Prioritize long-term holding. How to do it. Avoid panic selling when prices dip. Think long-term. Example, holding real estate property for 10 years to benefit from rising market prices. 3. Reinvest returns. How to do it. Use profits from your assets to buy more appreciating investments. Example, reinvesting stock dividends instead of spending them. 4. Avoid depreciating liabilities. How to do it: spend less on items that lose value quickly, like fancy cars or gadgets. Example, choosing a modest, reliable car instead of a luxury one that drops in value. 5. Seek professional advice. How to do it: consult financial experts to choose high-potential assets. Example, a financial advisor guiding you toward the right real estate project. Number 3. Automate savings and investments. Do not save what is left after spending, spend what is left after saving. Warren Buffett. This means, treat savings and investments as non-negotiable, like paying a bill. Automation removes the temptation to skip or delay building wealth. Automation ensures that every time you earn money, a portion is saved or invested without you manually transferring it. This builds consistency, reduces errors, and grows your wealth effortlessly over time. Practical applications on automating savings and investments. 1. Set up automatic transfers. How to do it: schedule bank transfers to your savings or investment accounts. Example, your salary account sends 20% to savings every payday without action from you. 2. Use investment apps. How to do it: enable recurring investments through trusted platforms. Example, apps like Acorns or Robinhood automatically investing small amounts weekly. 3. Prioritize retirement funds. How to do it: automate contributions to pension or 401k accounts early. Example, monthly deduction into a retirement plan before other expenses. 4. Create multiple buckets of savings. How to do it: automate money flow into emergency funds, travel funds, or investments. Example, 10% for emergencies, 15% for stocks, 5% for side projects every month. 5. Forget it, let it grow. How to do it: avoid touching your automated savings and let compounding work. Example, a set investment growing steadily while you focus on daily life. Number 4. Learn and adapt to market changes. The measure of intelligence is the ability to change. Albert Einstein. This means, markets and economies evolve constantly. Those who refuse to learn or adapt risk losing opportunities and wealth. The financial world isn't static. New industries rise, old ones fade, and technology reshapes everything. The wealthy stay informed, adjusting their strategies when the environment changes to protect and grow their wealth. Practical applications on learning and adapting to market changes. 1. Stay informed. How to do it: read market news, attend seminars, and follow industry experts. Example, learning about AI trends and investing in relevant companies early. 2. Continuously learn. How to do it: take courses on finance, investments, and technology shifts. Example, enrolling in a real estate investment workshop before buying property. 3. Analyze past mistakes. How to do it: review what went wrong in previous investments and adjust. Example, learning from a bad stock pick to avoid similar risky buys. 4. Diversify learning sources. How to do it: don't rely on one guru, seek multiple perspectives. Example, listening to financial podcasts and reading books by different experts. 5. Be flexible. How to do it. Don't stick to a failing strategy. Pivot when necessary. Example, selling an underperforming business and reinvesting in a growing one. Number 5. Master delayed gratification. Wealth is the ability to fully experience life later, not just now. Henry David Thoreau. This means, true wealth builders sacrifice short-term pleasure for long-term gain. Patience grows fortunes. Many people fail to build wealth because they can't resist instant gratification, spending money on wants instead of investing it. The wealthy delay these pleasures, letting their money grow first before indulging. Practical applications on mastering delayed gratification. 1. Set clear financial goals. How to do it. Define what you're saving or investing for long term. Example, saving for a home down payment instead of a luxury vacation. 2. Create a budget and stick to it. How to do it. Allocate spending wisely and avoid unnecessary splurges. Example, limiting entertainment expenses to $100 monthly. 3. Reward yourself in moderation. How to do it. Plan small treats after hitting big milestones. Example, a nice dinner out after saving $10,000. 4. Visualize future rewards. How to do it. Picture what your investments will give you years from now. Example, thinking of early retirement while skipping expensive gadgets now. 5. Learn self-control habits. How to do it. Delay purchases for 24 to 48 hours before deciding. Example, waiting 2 days before buying that impulse online deal. Number 6. Diversify smartly. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Andrew Carnegie. This means, spreading your wealth across different investments reduces risk. But diversification must be intentional, not random. Diversification protects you from losing everything if one venture fails. Smart diversification means balancing high-risk, high-return opportunities with safer investments. Practical applications on diversifying smartly. 1. Spread investments. How to do it. Invest in multiple sectors or asset types. Example, mixing stocks, real estate, and digital products. 2. Balance risk and safety. How to do it. Combine low-risk bonds with higher-risk ventures. Example, 60% in stable assets, 40% in startups or stocks. 3. Avoid over-diversification. How to do it. Don't invest in too many areas you can't manage. Example, focusing on 3 to 5 streams instead of 15 small ones. 4. Review and adjust regularly. How to do it. Rebalance your portfolio based on market changes. Example, shifting money from declining industries to emerging ones. 5. Learn about each investment. How to do it. Understand where your money goes before diversifying. Example, researching real estate before buying property shares. Number 7. Track your net worth regularly. What gets measured gets managed. Peter Drucker. This means, you can't improve what you don't track. Knowing your net worth shows whether your wealth strategies are working. Tracking net worth means calculating everything you own minus what you owe. It helps you make informed decisions, cut losses, and spot opportunities to grow your wealth. Practical applications on tracking your net worth regularly. 1. List all assets and liabilities. How to do it: write down everything you own and all debts. Example: home value, car, savings minus loans and credit card debt. 2. Use net worth tracking tools. How to do it: apps or spreadsheets keep your data updated automatically. Example: using Mint or Personal Capital to track finances. 3. Set targets and review monthly. How to do it: define growth goals and track progress every 30 days. Example: aiming to increase net worth by $5,000 yearly. 4. Cut unnecessary debts. How to do it: use your net worth report to prioritize debt repayment. Example: paying off high-interest credit cards first. 5. Make adjustments fast. How to do it: change investments or spending if net worth drops. Example: selling a poor investment and reallocating funds. There you have it. Wealth isn't built overnight. It's a series of smart, intentional moves practiced consistently. Use these 7 strategies to build, protect, and multiply your wealth for generations to come. If you found these strategies valuable, hit the like button, subscribe for more wealth-building insights, and share this video with someone who dreams of financial freedom. Your next breakthrough might start with one click today.